राष्ट्रपति भवन लेकर के जाएंगे। राष्ट्रपति के अंगरक्षक, जैसा हमने शुरू में कहा, एक अद्वितीय एयरबॉर्न कैवलरी रेजिमेंट है। राष्ट्रपति महोदया उपस्थित जनसमूह का, जो कि कर्तव्य पथ के दोनों ओर उपस्थित हैं, अभिवादन करती हुई उनका।
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, इस समारोह से बड़ा कोई आयोजन नहीं है। भव्य आयोजन और राष्ट्रपति जी का काफिला राष्ट्रपति भवन की ओर कर्तव्य पथ पर धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ता हुआ, और जिस क्रम में प्रोटोकॉल के हिसाब से गणमान्य व्यक्तियों का आना हुआ था, अब उसके रिवर्स ऑर्डर में उनका यहां से प्रस्थान होता है। राष्ट्रपति जी के बाद अब माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति जी श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन सलामी मंच से कुछ देर में प्रस्थान करेंगे। वंदे मातरम के 150 वर्ष आज के समारोह का मुख्य थीम।
Ceremony and tradition giving context to modernity. Today the signs and symbols of national celebration become more meaningful. And as we foreground them, our individual identities take a back seat and responsible nationhood leads the way. And we saw glimpses of that. Across the armed forces, across the civilian performers. And as the dignitaries depart from the saluting base and we conclude yet another Republic Day parade in New Delhi, we would do good to remember that our extraordinary existence as a civilization has withstood centuries of transformation and still stands strong with its uniqueness in place. We are, however, a young republic, still settling in, still adopting, and still adapting. Our strength has always been our ability to embrace and hold different extremes with gravitas and fortitude, with balance and dignity, tradition and modernity, change and continuity, reconciliation and resistance, and of course resilience and fragility. And India's ability to allow space of change in opinions and differences is what gives it the power to sustain and grow from strength to strength. And here applause growing from strength to strength. Everybody has been waiting. This has become virtually tradition now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, before departing from the venue, goes right up along either side of the enclosures and Kartavya Path to greet people up close, first hand.
समारोह का वो हिस्सा जिसकी प्रतीक्षा यहाँ मौजूद सभी को रहती है, जब प्रधानमंत्री उनके निकट, उनके दीर्घाओं के निकट पहुंचते हैं, उनका अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हैं। यादगार के कुछ और पल उनकी यादों में शामिल, और प्रधानमंत्री कोशिश करते हैं कि वो काफी दूर तक इन दीर्घाओं में जो दर्शक हैं उनके पास जाएं, उनके नजदीक जाएं और उनका अभिवादन स्वीकार करें।
And as the Prime Minister slows down to interact with the people, Kartavya Path becomes a canvas of emotion and national pride. Across the majestic boulevard, thousands rise to their feet. Hands waving, eyes searching, hearts racing for a glimpse that many have waited years for. With every wave and folded greeting, the Prime Minister acknowledges the faith of the people seated across Kartavya Path. In that simple gesture lies a powerful connection of trust, respect, and shared destiny. For countless citizens present here today, this is not merely a visual moment. It is an experience that will be remembered for a lifetime, retold to families, preserved in photographs, and cherished in quiet reflection. The excitement visible on these radiant faces here. Children craning their necks, elders offering blessings, tricolors fluttering with pride, speaks volumes of a nation's collective hope. This is leadership, not from a distance, but leadership that reaches out, listens, and reassures.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का हमेशा से ये प्रयास रहता है कि इस तरह